To Travel Spotlight, your fast pass to Europe's most breathtaking places. Let's dive in. Paris, iconic streets, golden lights and croissants that melt in your mouth. Fairy tale, they live in the castles of Bavaria. Need a breath of adventure, the Swiss Alps, cobblestone streets, medieval towers and misty hills. Edinburgh is pure magic. Europe of culture, nature and wonder. Hit subscribe and let Travel Spotlight take you there, minute at a time.
Picture this. I'm in the middle of London, sun barely out, holding a useless map. The city is buzzing around me, double-decker buses whizzing past, and I'm just standing there, feeling like the only person who doesn't know where they're going. The air smells faintly of rain and roasted chestnuts from a nearby vendor. To my left, Frying Pan Alley. To my right, poultry. Am I lost, or did I accidentally wander into a giant kitchen? London's street names are a riddle in themselves, and I'm not sure if I'm supposed to laugh or look for a spatula. My brain's spinning, but honestly, this was the plan all along. Get lost on purpose, let the city surprise me, and see where the winding streets take me. There's a strange thrill in not knowing what's around the next corner. Turns out, being lost is less romantic movie and more main course. It's messy, a little stressful, and definitely not as glamorous as it sounds in travel blogs.